Be honest with yourself. How many nights have you promised that tomorrow would be different? Tomorrow you'll post a video. Tomorrow you'll send a pitch. Tomorrow you'll make the call, start the program, or finally make the decision you already know you need to make. Then tomorrow comes and you find one more thing to research, one more video to watch, maybe this one more reason to wait. But deep down, you know you are not confused. You are afraid you'll give this everything you have and still fail. Afraid you'll discover that you are not capable. Afraid this dream will break your heart one more time. I know that fear, bro. After my personal training studio collapsed, I spent approximately $1,000 on a course and $2,000 on a laptop from the last $5,000 I had. I told myself this was my new beginning. Then I left that course untouched for 6 months. Every time I saw that laptop, I felt ashamed. From the outside, it looked like procrastination, but internally, I was trying to protect myself from experiencing another failure. The problem is avoidance did not protect me. It slowly taught me that I could not trust myself. My life did not begin changing when I finally felt ready. It began changing when I kept one small promise to myself. So listen carefully. If you're exhausted, rest. If you're afraid, move. Be honest enough to know the difference. You do not need the entire plan today. You need one real rep. Record the video, make the call, open the first module. Not to prove anything to the world. Do it to prove that your world still means something to you. You do not need another promise, bro. You need evidence that you can trust yourself again. If you're fighting through fear, failure, and self-doubt while becoming the person your dream requires, subscribe and follow me along on this journey. I would love to have you here. I'm still becoming too. Let's rebuild that trust, one promise at a time, together.